One of the biggest challenges people face about their mornings is them saying they don't have enough time. The reality is, if you don't do the things for you in the morning, then you're not going to get anything you need for the rest of the day. Building that mindset that it's okay to be selfish, to be selfless throughout the day. A performance chef is someone whose role is to help support not just athletes, but everyday legends. You eat the right foods to help you perform at your peak every day. Did this just come in? Ratatouille is looking good. We've already got a bit of drama. Have you done anything else yet? Testing out each recipe, making sure that what I had set up actually works today.
In order to eat like a legend, you have to be able to cook like one.
All right, here we go, guys. My morning routine's gone from being like get up to going straight to the gym to now having really intentional time around what I need to do for my day. I get up, I turn my coffee machine on and smile. I go read as I'm doing that with my coffee. I've had AG1. And then I essentially make the best breakfast in the world. Quantifiably has been tested by every person, so we can just say that's facts. We're making a power bowl right now. An elevated oatmeal experience. I've added in some cinnamon, I've got some sweetener in there from some maple syrup. I'm also gonna add a pinch of salt because that's how it brings out natural sweetness. Probably added too much then, but who cares? So you kind of want to let it do its thing for a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the power bowl. Ooh, baby. It's funny because you think you get over it, but every day it's awesome. Really good. AG1 and I go way back. I have it every day. On one side, it's my nutritional insurance. It makes sure that no matter what I'm doing throughout the day, at least in the morning, I've taken this step to get my essential needs. Everyone looks at performance and they think you have to be an athlete to perform. And the reality is, like, if you're a parent, you gotta perform for your kids. If you're trying to get a new role at a company, you gotta perform for yourself. And so food and how you live your day in a healthy way is so important so you can give yourself the 100%. And that's my job from the food angle. It's funny how there's certain things in your life, even though you're in the opposite side of the world, how important they are for your health. As you get older, you learn what's actually important to your health. And I found that people in a connection around health and wellness is super important to me. It brings me joy. It's just like so good for my health, physically, mentally. Morning routines are so important to establish. So like having your AG1, all these things that still establish your morning routine to keep you sane for the day. Despite the flux of the outside environment, you're looking after your internal environment.